Hereford FC from side of country.
So guys, I'm back to make a video today. I'm with Hereford player Jamie Byrne. So Jamie, how do you feel the game went today?
Thought the boys were outstanding, to be fair, and to get the job done 2-0, so happy days, another 3 points on the board, so they can do.
Do you have any pre-match superstition?
Nah, not really. Nah, none at all.
Have you heard about the floss?
No, what is it?
The floss is basically when you do this. I want to know, can you do it?
No, not at all. I haven't got no dance moves whatsoever, but have a go. That's it for you.
I saw on a video on Instagram of you singing away at Fleetwood, and I'm coming from Wales. I've heard you're a bit of a karaoke king. So can you give me a quick blast of your favourite song?
Mario, Let Me Love You. That's my favourite song. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to... Is that good enough?
Just say you're very brave.
Confident, mate.
This is from Elliot Luke Taylor. Do you think more young players would benefit from leaving academy to play lower league men's football?
Yes, 100%, yes. It benefits massively from getting out there and playing against men, playing real football, and playing for something at the end of the day instead of playing academy games where it's just for nothing.
This is from Steve Cape. Who's your favourite bird? Watch your missus or your mum?
Definitely my mum, mummy's boy, yeah. Definitely my mum.
This is the same question from Josh Roderick and Gareth Tingle. Who do you support Premier League?
Liverpool, massive Liverpool fan.
Same as me then. This is from Will Smith. What's your favourite moment of this season?
Probably when I come on again away at Chesham. Probably, yeah.
This is from Guy Cook. What's your best football memory?
Trying to think now. Obviously getting off my professional contract. Yeah, that one, yeah.
It's from Jason Jones. Can you say the alphabet backwards like this? Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, I, K, J, F, E, D, C, B, A?
I can't even say it normal, so I can't say it backwards, definitely.
This is from Andrew Boucher. What footballer inspires you?
Steven Gerrard, and it's got to be, yeah, he's my favourite player of all time, so yeah.
This is from Josh Ruck. What's it like playing in front of 4,000 home fans?
Amazing, I've never experienced anything like it, because that's the most I've played in front of, so it's good for me, obviously being so young as well, so yeah, it's good.
Okay, so this season I've done something called the Beachster Challenge. Basically, you've got to do as many heady ups as you can with a 99p floater. Kieran Raffel's in the lead at the moment with 37, so if you'd like to take the floater. You've got 2 attempts, and do you want to go on the pitch and do it? You've got 37, is obviously the score to beat. Yeah, 2 attempts, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. No offence. That's bad. Yes. Yes, Jimmy will be pleased. Okay, so every interview I do a bit of a memento. So if you'd like, I've got you, your own blow-up microphone for the singing, and your very own custard.
Cheers, mate.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
See ya. Bye.